Bitcoin had a flash crash today. I want to explain why that happened and what to expect in the coming week for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as well as what's going on with the stock market tomorrow and what to expect on the opener. I'm going to do this all in under 3 minutes. So go ahead, like and subscribe. If you like getting this information under 3 minutes, I've gotten thousands and thousands of new subscribers. And I really got to thank everybody for all the subscriptions and all the likes. So thank you. And let's get right into the news right now. So what you can see here is Bitcoin had a crash today. A lot of other cryptocurrencies also had little mini crashes, including Cardano. While Dogecoin has actually been inching up today a little bit and sustaining its quarter mark where it's at about 25 cents and holding in its new consolidation point. So let me explain this. With Bitcoin, a lot of news has come out the last week about cryptocurrency in general, and the granddaddy of all of them is Bitcoin. And before I go into the stock market futures, I want to explain exactly why Bitcoin is having some problems. So when we look here, there are some articles right now that have been coming out about Bitcoin and the future of it, and it's falling again because of the expectations coming up this week for earnings and a lot of different tech companies. And Bitcoin has some articles out about Bitcoin being a threat to national security. And a lot of governments are trying to get together and get their own digital currencies together, which is bad for the DeFi cryptocurrencies that aren't controlled. So a lot of people, including the governments, consider Bitcoin to be a security threat, not only because you can't really track it and things like that, but because other countries like China holding a huge amount of interest in things like Bitcoin and even places like North Korea. So that news has been coming out a lot this week, and that's really one of the main reasons Bitcoin crashed. Some people have been blaming it on the tax notices of capital gains that the Biden administration has mentioned, and I don't think that's really the cause, because stock futures on NASDAQ and the Dow have not been affected by that news. And if they have, it's been like 0.5%. So I don't think that's why you would see this kind of tanking with Bitcoin. So on to what's happening with stocks. Now you can look at the pre-market trading right now, and what's estimated to be the implied open right now is actually looking negative across the board. And the reason for this is because there's a lot of earnings coming up, and earnings coming up, you can see right here where the Dow futures are looking at almost -8, -2, and -6%. So it's looking to be a little bit of a bloodbath that's going to be occurring tomorrow on the stock market. So when you're trading, look out for that tomorrow. And the earnings that are coming up are, let's see, Apple and Tesla have earnings reports this week. And that is a big deal for those companies and for tech stocks in general, because they are weighted so heavily in the NASDAQ. So the outlook altogether looks like Bitcoin's going to continue to have a rough week. It might be a buy for some people, but a lot of the trading technicals are looking at Bitcoin as still being a sell right now. So just be careful out there. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Of course, you know that, but I want you to be informed. So check out these news stories on your own. Bitcoin's probably going to have a rough week. Dogecoin's probably going to stay at the consolidation point between 25 cents and 30 cents, in my opinion. And tomorrow's stock trading looks like it's going to be bumpy on the open, so be careful out there. And I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe to hear about when I have my live streams, Dogecoin live streams at Dave's Doge Den. We have a blast in there, and I do money giveaways, so you have to be subscribed to get notifications so you can be in there live to win some cash. All right, take care, and I'll see you later.